it's great. I've never seen so many Israelites.
One time!
Our march for a safer tomorrow.
You're right.
Israel united in Christ.
You're right.
12 tribes of Israel. Blacks, Latinos, Native American Indians, we are the Israelites.
I love this right now. I love this. All our strong Black and Latino men. This is what I like.
We're coming out with this Bible and we're bringing our people back together. There's no such thing as Black and Hispanic in Puerto Rico. That's a name that the oppressor put on us. We are the Israelites according to the Bible.
I like this song of unity and power. This is definitely needed. I respect this.
Blacks and Latinos, we must come together as one.